Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to book learners, cancel their lessons and rearrange them. So if you've watched the last video you already know how to go to this site. The first thing you want to do is go to your diary. This is where you manage all your lessons. You can see a list of your learners in this drop down menu here, and that is how you change the week. So to book a lesson you simply click on it. As you can see you can change the lesson date, the start time of the lesson by just scrolling up and down, and you can also change the end time of the lesson as well. So we're going to start this lesson time at 11:30, obviously it's AM, sorry. And then we can also change the end time to, let's say it's a 2-hour lesson, so it'll finish at 1:30 PM. And then you just click set and save and rebook. Now, if you want, you can click on the lesson again, and let's say you accidentally put the wrong day and time, you can just simply click here and change any of that. Okay. Now, once a lesson's complete, you can go to mark completed and you can say whether the lesson was taken, rescheduled, whether they were sick, no-show or cancelled. You can also choose a lesson type, and this will send a lesson plan of that lesson to the pupil via their email. We're just going to go for moving off to stop in here. You then choose a level, and you can write any comments you want in the box, and the learner will be able to see this note as well. And then we just click save and rebook after that. You can also obviously put down whether they no-showed or cancelled the lesson, or if they rescheduled. Now let's say that you accidentally mark a lesson as complete, you can also mark it as incomplete, which will just pull you back to what we were at before. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our others.